Alright guys, I'm back at it again. Just want to let you know I also got this grill here. It's a mesh grill. This is what one of the sides looked like. It's pretty sleek. My car in the back fitment it's pretty it's like a 3-finger gap. It's not really, and my fingers are really small. This is like a 3. This side too. 3. Oh, this 3-finger gap. I didn't lose it. I just haven't put it back on yet. It's over there somewhere. What I want to show you was my steering wheel. It's pretty legit. Car is so goddamn dirty. It's gonna need a deep clean for the summertime. I'm gonna be doing deep clean type shit. That's all I have for you right now. Oh yeah, that's where that is. That's all I have right now. Guess I'll see you later.